Welcome to Sumalata Baina videos. I am Sumalata. Attitude is altitude. Attitude is our own attitude. Altitude is a height, and this is a very inspiring lesson. Probably the most inspiring lessons you will hear in your life really, because it is good to talk about a character whose life started with such extreme difficulties, and yet he went on to reach greatest heights. Let's start the lesson. Attitude is altitude. Okay, we'll start the lesson. Attitude is altitude. Imagine having no arms to stretch in the morning to help you scratch that itch, to allow you to wrap your arms around your loved ones. Imagine having no legs to kick pebbles down the street, to walk or run, to bicycle or skateboard, or get you from point A to point B. Then imagine both at once, which is what Nick Vujicic has faced his whole life. Have you heard something like this before? Okay, in this lesson, he has no arms and legs. Without having limbs, only he faced his whole life. Is it very difficult? Do you know it is very difficult to lead life without arms and legs? Okay, see the grammar in this paragraph. To stretch, after to, only present tense, that is V1 will come. To help, to allow, these are all the examples. To wrap, after to, present tense, only V1 will come. Okay. Born with no arms and legs, but he doesn't let the details stop him. The brave 26-year-old, who is mainly a torso, plays football, golf, swims, and serves despite having no limbs. Nick Vujicic has no arms and legs. Though he had no limbs or no arms and legs, they didn't stop him doing things like playing football, golf, swimming and surfing. These are all he did, though he had no arms and legs. No limbs means no arms and legs. Torso means no limbs. Body having no limbs. Which are important are highlighted here. And Nick has a small foot on his left hip, who helps him balance and enables him to kick. He uses his one foot to type, write with a pen, and pick things up between his toes. He has a small foot on his left hip. This helped him in balancing and enables him to kick. He also types with it and also writes with a pen, writes with it and pick things up between his toes. I call it my chicken drumstick. Joke Nick, who was born in Melbourne, Australia, but now lives in Los Angeles. I would be lost without it. I call it my chicken drumstick. I means here Nick. My chicken drumstick. Chicken drumstick means here small foot on his left hip. He was born in Melbourne, Australia, but now he lives in Los Angeles. I call it my chicken drumstick. It is important for passage. Next, I would be lost without it. I means here Nick. Lost without it. It means small foot on his left hip. This is I would be lost without it. It is also important for passage. All the important points are highlighted are not Nick's only thing. He also plays golf with a club tucked under his chin and is a huge fan of the English Premier League. He is the huge fan of English Premier League. He plays golf and also swims. His parents decided not to send him to a special school, a decision he said was very hard for him, but which may have been the best decision they could have made for very hard for him, but which may have been the best decision he could have made for him. To send. Here also, to after to first form of the verb will come. His parents decided not to send. This negative sentence. Decided not to send. To send, not to send him to a special school. A decision he said was very hard for him, but which may have been the best decision they could have made for him. Here, the best. Superlative degree. Before superlative degree, the must come. So after comparative degree, than any other, than at least than will come. Was born, his father was so shocked that he left the hospital room to vomit. His distraught mother could not bring herself to hold him until he was 4 months old. When Nick was born, his father was so shocked that so follows that next. When he was born, his father shocked and he went out of the hospital room to vomit. His distraught mother, she is so worried about the child, and so he could not bring herself to hold him until he was 4 months old. He didn't touch him at least until he was 4 months old. Could, will, shall, after will, shall, can, may, would, should, could, might, only first form of the verb will come. Next, has, have, had, follows only third form of the verb. Has brought, have brought, had brought. Without any medical explanation, a rare occurrence called phocomelia, and Nick and his parents spent many years asking why this cruel trick would happen to them. My mother was a nurse and she did everything right during pregnancy, but she still blamed herself. He said it was so hard for them, but right from the start they did their best to make me independent. My dad put me in the water at 18 months and gave courage to learn how to swim. I also got really into football and skateboarding. I totally love the English Premier League. His disease is called phocomelia. His parents scolded God for doing that cruel trick. She was a nurse. His mother was a nurse. She cared herself during the pregnancy, but that happened. It was so hard for them, but right from the start, they did their best to make me independent. They wanted me to do things independently. My dad put me in water at 18 months and gave the courage to learn how to swim. I also got really into football and skateboarding. I totally love the English Premier League. Here in this past, his father was a computer programmer and accountant, and he taught his little son how to type um, with his toe at just 6 years old. His mum invented a special plastic device that meant he could hold a pen and a pencil. Despite the risk of being bullied, his parents insisted on his attending mainstream school. It was the best decision they could have made for me, adds Nick, who later achieved a degree in financial planning and real estate. It was very hard, but it gave me independence. Nick's father was a computer programmer and accountant. He taught how to type with his toe at 6 years old only. His mother invented a plastic device to hold a pen and a pencil. They sent to a mainstream school instead of special school. Special school means for handicapped children. They didn't send them to special school. They sent him to mainstream school only. Okay, here the grammar. Possessive pronoun, next order adjective, next noun. If there is no adjective, possessive pronoun, next noun. Phrasal verb insisted on, after insisted on. Okay. How to swim, how to learn, how to write, ఎలాగా చేయాలి అని అన్నమాట. Who was teased and bullied had an electric wheelchair for mobility and a team of carers to help him. I was deeply depressed when I was 8 years old, he said. I went to my mom crying and told her I wanted to kill myself. I felt cold and bitter. I hated God for doing this to me and was terrified of what would happen when my parents were not there to look after me. I could brush my own teeth with a wall-mounted brush and wash my own hair with pump action soap, but there was so much that was impossible for me. Here, Nick, who refers to Nick, relative pronoun. Nick, who was teased, who means that explains about the person. Relative pronoun. Nick, who was teased and bullied, had an electric wheelchair for mobility and a team of carers to help him. I was deeply depressed, and when I was deeply depressed, verb before that adverb. When I was 8 years old, when he was 8 years old, he was deeply depressed, and so he wanted to kill himself. That is the important passage. I wanted to kill myself. That is the important passage. I means Nick wanted to kill myself. Why ante because he was deeply depressed because of the um, because he had no limbs. I felt cold and bitter, very sad and anamata. I felt cold and bitter. I hated God for doing this to me and was terrified of what would happen when my parents were not there to look after me. I could brush he did all his things with himself only, not with himself only. Here, grammar, will you shall, after will shall can may, would should could might, only first form of the verb will come. Here relative pronouns. Next, this is for editing. Possessive, my own hair, my possessive pronoun. Next, adjective, noun. If there is no adjective after possessive pronoun, noun will come. So much that, so follows that.